Good morning, everyone, from the cloudy day of Siargao. So today we are starting our construction. The engineer, the foreman is over here. Hindi pala. I'm the architect. Architect is in school. But we're digging the hole over here for two of this one here. So this one, ano tawag sinitin? Ano inina ko ano?
Paon ni tawag sini pa?
Ano inina? Kahoy ah.
Wala ko anta permi.
Oh. They call this one tambis, but this is
Bugna.
very bugna.
Bugna.
Bugna. This is the one is like very strong. So we dig the hole over here and then we put that one down. Then I think, then lagyan pa ng concrete dong, di da. They put like concrete over here. They put concrete down here. So what they do is we're just doing to put that one down, up, and then together like here, up, and then we goes like that way. So we can put nipa, and then we go down farther. We put another one here and here one, and that is gonna be the kitchen. So this nasty over bathroom is not here anymore. So that is the good thing. But we are starting our concrete right now. So construction right now. So we're almost done over here. We're almost like that over here something. This one here, it's already done. It's just wind up to cut this one. So however, this one will change. Because supposed to be this one here is a nipa. But they said because of the this design of this one is not really good for nipa, because nipa will be like we are constantly replacing nipa. If we do the nipa things, we're constantly replacing it, probably like 3, 4 or 4 times a year. So however, we are both decide to put like the same thing also in our roof. It's just the same like that, but it's more thinner since it's only outside. We just don't need to have, so we don't need to take the sun. But this one here is wind up doing cutting all everything, and then we are perfectly okay with this. We are perfectly done. It's okay. Like I mean, like they do pretty good job. My engineer over here and Tintin over here. So this one here is the kitchen. So we put 1, 2 more. That's down there also, the second one. And this kitchen over here is the only nipa, because it's just do like that one then. I don't know how it explained, but it's like a a triangle something, and then that's how it works. That's how the design is. So we're just going to do the nipa things over here, and then this one here is just the same this one. I don't know what's that called. Anong English ng sinyak? Ambot. Ambot.
Lensin.
Aplinsin. Aplinsin, just like that. So we're just doing the things that we could over here, and then after this one we are done, we are doing something another one. Here's the difference when you take the skin out on that wood. They said it's better to take the skin out because it is more stronger than to put the skin in. That's the reason why we are taking out the skin. But this one here, it's good to have a fire also. From my garden also. It is nice to get the fire every morning, every afternoon. We're gonna have a smoke down because vegetables needs to have the smoke. So that is the most important also every afternoon and morning. My better melon here is growing. I still has a lot of things to clean over, but right now I'm busy on my because the architect is over here. But this one here, it's pretty good. They're very good. Now they're producing better melon, so I'm happy for that result. I'm not sure one of this one here, it's actually damaged. They keep putting like a yellow better melon, so hopefully this one will grow. We're gonna buy another better melon so we can have so we're almost done on our project. Next, my uya and Tintin was doing something also. So one of the thing also is always over here in 215 every afternoon when I was here is how do like I always make snacks or like dessert, make snacks in afternoon. And guess what, I do like snack all the time, but how do I feed like with 6 bucks at 21 people inside? So this is what I do all the time, and I don't spend a lot of that one for the snacks for like I always like almost like 6 bucks is the minimum of my snacks, but it can feed 20 people, and this is how I do it.
Tukod mo ni bro. Ano ni? Talaong.
Oh, yeah. So this one here is called binignit. 30, 32, 38. Oh my gosh. It's so hot. That is included with banana. Mother, wala na. Naano na siya. Root crops. And sagu. And also a little bit of rice. And sugar. Coconut juice is the last one. We are going to put this one. And of course, taro. So my mom was doing something on the coconut juice. So we're gonna make this. I think they put sugar on this one also. So the thing is, I just spent sugar on it, and that is why it's 6 bucks. And what is in there? You know what? All of them is only here. We have a coconut, we have a banana, we have a root crops. Of course, only the sugar. We have the taro and the sugar and what else? Sagu is the one, and also the rice. It's gonna pay the rice because less than that, all of them is I just make. We just plant that over here. So I think if you are doing something, like I said, like if you're planting things, you can just make your own snacks with your own plant, and that here in 215 is the most common to us to just make the snacks. That's just good for 21 people. And right now they are reforming already. We have the last part here. The last part is over this one here. This is the kitchen. So that's my engineer over here. And then the kitchen is over here. And my snacks over here almost done. And that's 6 pack snacks. And later on my girls will go home, and that's what they're gonna get for snacks. Alright, it's time up already, and we are forming this out already. Tomorrow we're gonna put the roof. This one here, all I need to do this one here is cover this up, and then what we're gonna do is put like soil, no, banana first, and then soil, and then concrete, and then kitchen is already done. You are going to see this after everything is done, how it looks like. This one here, I'm planning to put something over here like you know, peppermint, or like once this one floor is already done and everything is be cleaned up, and they have already like cement, and that one down there, I'm gonna do something about it too. Gonna put like flowers, because I'm trying to make it like a jungle kitchen. So this one here, so far I'm still thinking what should I do with this, but I'm going to make something also over there to cover this up. So we're still going to clean the mess. As I said, Nini is doing something, and it's time for me to do. Did you eat the snacks today, Dali? Yes. Dali, did you eat the snacks, Dali? Dali. Oh, I'm just going to do my part also. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap my day up. It is very tiring day. Oh my gulay, I have so much things to do today. Meow meow, according to President Miguel. But anyway guys, I think that's about it so far. Everything is done. Our dinner is done. as I said, today is just a construction day. And of course, Kukis is done. My 6 box snacks for 21 people is already also done. Did you eat that, Okyo? Binignit? Did you like it?
Nakapatay.
Huh? You don't like it?
Ang ano mo, hilaw-hilaw, gahi.
Oh no, that's Nami.
Sino man?
Mother.
Gahi, nagreklamo si
Yeah.
Nene, tapos ang kuan ko no, ang texture ko no na kay Uga.
Wow! That's nice.
Mabutukan ko no yaan.
Oh, really? She complained? Sabi nga. All of you are just eating and then you keep like complaining? My gulay, that's the problem, you know? Sometimes it's just like,
Hurt the feelings.
it hurts the feelings. Like, I don't know why. Sometimes it's also like sometimes people goes to the birthday party. Then when you go there, there's like a one dish that you say, because you have too much dish and you're boring a little bit. They say, oh, the food is, oh, a lot of food is good. And then, but the one thing is burn. But you keep eating it. Like, come on, you just come here to the birthday party and then you just love to complain.
You are invited, but you are not.
You're not even invited.
Complain.
Oh my gulay. But my girls doesn't like my 6
$6.
snacks today. But anyway, it is like because I think what happened is we are busy. We can't look that all the time, so that's very understandable. Very understandable to my part. So I think I don't have anything to But Kyuki is doing dishes. Gang. She was the gang. What's the gang's name? What's your gang's name?
Gang kaibigan lang.
Gang kaibigan lang? In your school, there has a gang? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Ako kaya ako.
Uh-huh.
Grade 7 ako.
Uh-huh. That's like a best. Like, you need to monitor them once in a while or every day as long as you could. Because by their age so far, like in their school, one of the problem is like there's a gang. They call it like a gang or yeah, it's like a group something that other group doesn't like the other group and they're like to fight each other. They have like a big fight or something that I heard, and I gotta make it sure that my girls doesn't have anything to do with that kind of group or something, because you know what, I always told them,
You're involved.
you involve in that one, you involve in this one, because everything has a limit for certain things, a lot of limit, because at your age you're under my care. You involve in gang, group, if you involve with fight, depends on but you involved in that one there, you gotta pack your things and leave. And that is my rules. So if you still like into under my care, you wanna have you like to see your good future, no. Then you need to do the best things that you can do, because everything I like is for you. It's not for me. It's for your own good. So that's about it so far. Thank you so much. Until next time.